Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set goals on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started using ClickUp and you want to start using goals. How do you actually go ahead and set goals on ClickUp? So if we log on to ClickUp and then click on goals, my recommendation or suggestion for you is that with your goals, try to keep it 1 to 3 goals at most and try to make it goals that you can directly control. So for example, for my business, I wouldn't put revenue as a goal, but just because I can't directly control revenue, but I can control how many videos that we publish across our channels. So for example, we have a video publishing goal here, and we want to publish 30 videos this month. That could be an example. So ideally, you want to make it something that you're directly in control of. If you're talking about revenue, then that can be something that you can secondarily track. But even so, in order to create a goal, click on New Goal in the upper right-hand corner. And let's say that this goal name, we want it to be videos published, and then who's going to be in charge? It's me. And then you're going to enter who has access to this goal. Everyone does. And it's important to put an end date. So we're going to say that we want this done before the end of the year, and then click on OK. And then this is just a short description that you can add. So essentially what you're adding here is the name of your goal, and then you have something called targets. So targets are the specific and measurable pieces that must be accomplished in order to reach your goal. So we're going to click on create a target, and let's say we call this videos published, and who is responsible? Me. And then the type of target can be a true or false, or a currency, or tasks. So we're going to make it a number between 1 and 30, and then click on OK. So now we have the name of our goal, and then now we also have our target. Every time that you work towards your goal, you could actually click on the target, and then let's say that we publish 7 videos this week. We can type in 7, then click on Save Update. And you can now see that we're about 23% done with the videos published goal. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set goals on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.